There are 5 species of Old World monkeys known as baboons. The olive, yellow, chapman, hamadryas and guinea baboons of the genus Populus. The mandrill, which is the monkey with the colorful face, was once classified in the same genus as the baboon, but was moved to its own in 1970. Another large terrestrial monkey often referred to as a baboon is the gelada, a dramatic-looking animal with bare red flesh over its heart. Although the mandrill and gelada are not technically baboons, they are very closely related and have very similar lifestyles, and so are often included in discussions of baboons. Baboons are very distinctive-looking monkeys inhabiting much of Africa and some areas of Asia. They have long, almost dog-like snouts, very close eyes, and their arms and legs are almost the same length, so they walk very much like a dog. Sometimes referred to as dog monkeys, baboons are very common in the African landscape. They are very social animals that live in large, lively groups called troops of up to 100 members. Baboons spend the majority of the day walking on all fours on the ground. They retire to the trees at night, and are very good climbers, but like all old world monkeys their tail is not prehensile and cannot assist in climbing other than with bodies. The mandrill is the largest monkey species and has just a stump of a tail. Grooming, feeding together, and general socializing are key to the well-being of the baboon troop. Baboons are very vocal and communicate not only with about 40 different distinct vocalizations, but with numerous hand and arm gestures and very expressive faces. They have very mobile lips, cheeks and nose, and have distinct expressions for submission, begging and initiating. Baboons make a lot of eye contact with each other and are very affectionate, holding hands, hugging, and of course, mutually grooming. Any of the most fascinating bonobo facts is that the bonobo uses sexual contact to diffuse conflicts rather than resorting to violence. The bonobo and the chimpanzee are in the same genus and were considered the same species until the 1920s. Originally the bonobo was called the pigeon chimpanzee, and is sometimes still referred to by that name. The average size for a bonobo is about 3.5 feet tall and 65 to 80 pounds. Bonobos can be as heavy as 150 pounds. The largest male chimps the size difference between the two species is not that significant, and in the mid-1950s the pigeon term was largely discarded and replaced with the name bonobo. Physical differences between chimps and bonobos are not obvious. Chimps tend to be bulkier with shorter limbs and more pronounced muzzles. The bonobo usually has pink or red lips and black skin on the face, which is seen in juveniles as well, while juvenile chimps will have light-colored faces, and may retain a lighter skin tone as adults, though adult coloration varies. Bonobos in the wild generally have 4 heads of black hair parted oddly right down the middle, but in captivity many bonobos are bald. The balding occurs presumably through excessive mutual grooming. One theory is that troops in the wild have more members so the grooming is spread around, but that idea does not stand up to simple logic. Wouldn't more members mean more individuals not just to groom, but to be groomed by? Boredom, stress, or other environmental factors are far more likely the cause. The word bonobo may be a misspelling of the village of Bonobo, located in the heart of Bonobo territory in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. This one country in Central Africa is where all wild bonobos live. Their entire population in the wild is unknown, but is believed to number between 30,000 and 50,000 individuals. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is plagued by civil unrest, and the government is not currently able to protect the population from poaching and deforestation. Bonobos are currently considered endangered, and may be extinct in the wild within 30 years if their situation does not improve. Bonobos are highly intelligent, extremely social great apes. They live in very cooperative and peaceful groups, known as troops, with as many as 7 members. 15 to 30 is most common. Their fluid social structure is known as fission fusion, which means they may come together in various sized groups, or separate for different activities, different times of year, and depending on who is available to hang out with. Just as we do. They are omnivorous, eating a large variety fruits and plant stuffs, as well as small animals and fish. Like chimps, they will hunt together in groups, sneaking up on and cornering monkeys, reptiles, and young antelope. Bonobos live in deep forest and swamps in an unstable region of the world, so there was little study of them in the wild when they were first discovered. Some of what was known about them, however, so confused and disturbed the scientific community that it was kept secret for decades. The fact is, the bonobo has a social structure that incorporates regular and very casual sexual contact between all members, that has nothing to do with reproduction. Although some of this contact is clearly just for fun, much of it is a social skill used to avoid conflict, reassure one another, and build bonds. The result is a society with very little violence, and where lethal aggression and infanticide, quite common in chimps and human beings, is virtually unheard of. So is violence simply in the genes of certain species? Well, when researchers sequenced the genome of the chimpanzee in 2005 and the bonobo in 2012, they found that they still share 99.6% of their DNA, while human beings share about 98.7% of our DNA with both chimps and bonobos, suggesting that something other than genetic makeup. Humans and bonobos share one thing that chimps do not possess, a pattern in the brain cells called spindle cells or von economoneurons. This is a pattern associated with empathy and other complex social skills, that is also found in whales and elephants. Fascinating bonobo facts. The giraffe and its closest relative the okapi are the last survivors of the once plentiful Giraffidae family. While the okapi is a solitary, forest-dwelling creature rarely seen, the giraffe is a true showstopper, herds of which wander in surprising abundance across the African savanna. Today the giraffe is the tallest animal on Earth, with males horns, called occipitals, and 11 feet at the shoulder. Although no fossil trail exists, it is assumed the giraffe developed its remarkable physique and outsurvived its relatives, by reaching for the treetops. As taller individuals ate leaves and fruits unavailable to shorter individuals, the giraffe thrived, and became more and more specialized. While the 68-foot long, 600-pound neck is most obvious, the giraffe's entire body is a masterpiece of specialization. Viewed from the side, the giraffe's shoulder region is towering, with a highly elongated pectoral girdle which gives the illusion that the front legs are longer than the rear. Front and rear legs are about the same length, however, between 5.5 and 6 feet long. While the relatively short back has vertebrae of a median size, the vertebrae of the neck are stretched to about 11 inches long. They still have the 7 neck vertebrae found in most mammals, including us, but they are not only elongated, but also articulate far more than ours. The neck is supported by powerful muscles and reinforced ligaments which anchor to vertebrae between the shoulder blades, and form a hump where the back and neck meet. The head is refined, streamlined and equipped with an 18-inch long tongue. Both males and females have hairs known as oxycones, which are formed from cartilage and covered with skin. Females have thinner oxycones, that are tufted with longer hair on top. Males' oxycones are larger, have knobs on the ends, and become bald on top as they mature. Giraffes live in very loose groups of 3 to 40 or so, mostly related individuals. They are not